In this video, I'll show you how to download the Comet browser by Perplexity, an amazing AI-powered browser. To get started, click the first link in the description, which will take you to the Comet download page. When you log in, you may be asked to join a waitlist before getting access, but in the future, everyone will be able to download it. There are 4 ways to access Comet right now. First, you can join the waitlist and wait for a special invitation via email. Second, if you have the Perplexity Max plan around $200, you get instant access. Third, students can use the special student access link in the description to download Comet for free and receive 1 month of Perplexity Pro by verifying their student status. Finally, existing users can share invite links. I've added my 5 invite links in the description for the first 5 people to claim access. Once you have access, click Download Comet. After the file downloads, open it and click Start Install. Wait for the installation to finish, then select Launch Comet. When the browser opens, click Get Started. You can choose to import bookmarks or profiles from Chrome or other browsers, or skip the step by clicking Do This Later. Next, create a username and select a planet-themed profile and click Continue. You'll see a few setup options, like making Comet your default browser, adding it to the taskbar, opening it on startup, or sharing usage data to improve the product. Adjust these settings as you like, and click Start Comet. Finally, log in with your email. Enter the code sent to your inbox, and your Comet browser will be ready to use. Enter your first prompt and start exploring. If you want to watch a detailed tutorial on Comet, click on the video appearing on your screen. That's it for this video.